Hi everyone, it's Desiree. Welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me for this video. Today I have a fun unboxing and flip through of some new products from the Fabulous Planner. There is a new goals planner and a sticker book. I'm really excited about the sticker book because I think this is the first sticker book from the Fabulous Planner. So very excited to see that. And of course we have a really pretty planner. I will have my link down in the description. I have a code for 10% off. If you want to order something, you get 10% off. All that info will be down in the description. Definitely check out the Fabulous Planner. Lots of cute products over there for you to check out if you're looking for another planner small shop to shop from. This is a great one. So thanks to Flavia. Thank you, Flavia, for sending me all of these goodies that I'm going to be flipping through in this video. Let's go first start off in the planner. So this is an undated planner. It's a goal setting planner, and it actually is available in 3 different colors. I'm trying to open up the box. But yeah, it comes in this nice box, and it's available in 3 colors. I got the black one. There is also a pink version. Actually, let me check out the pink. Oh yeah, it's like a nice pink, bubblegum kind of pink, and then a mint color too. So if you like those colors, those are available as well. But we have this planner. Look how cute. I like the size of it. It's like a nice good size. So I was just checking to see what size this is because I'm really bad about like what sizes things are. So this is an A5 planner. Has the coils, goals, planner goals, make your goals a reality. Fabulous planner. It's got a nice hard cover. It's got these corners to protect the corners, which is nice. We get some sheets of stickers in here right off the bat. Oh, a calendar. So we have the 2024 calendar and 2026 calendar. Oh, 2025 is right here. Okay, so that way you can check out 2025, and then there's 2026. And then it says some headers. Don't forget, oh, this looks Harry Potter themed. That's so cute. I like the Harry Potter theme on here. Don't forget, shopping day, time to travel, very important. Study day, important. And then you get some cute like decorative stickers in here as well. Okay, so nice little pocket. Let's go through the planner. So let me bring this up a little bit more. All right, so name page is on the front. And then we have the first divider tab here, events and contacts. So here you can plan out your month. You have some little stars here acting as a checklist, and then a checking section here. So you have one for each month of the year. Contacts, where you can put the name, phone number, mail, and address of each person. I feel like I need to write these kinds of things down because I always forget. Like, I always forget my brother's address. I know how to get there, but I never know his address to like send him something. My sister too. Like, I just know how to get there. I just don't know the addresses to their places. So it'd be nice to write down somewhere. Also, to write down numbers, because if I lose my phone or something happens to my phone, or if I'm not with my phone, it'd be nice to have somewhere to write them down. Goals is the next divider. So you can list out your goals, so your goal, due date, write down your goal details as specific as possible. So what your goal is, your steps. You have 6 steps that you can take for that goal, towards that goal. So you get a few goal sheets here. Well, actually, lots of goals for this planner. All right, here's the planner section. Plan, do, check, action. All right, so we have a nice little weekly here. Actually, is this half a week? Yeah, okay. So this first part is Monday through Wednesday section. You have this week's focus, people to see or call, shopping list, health goals, focus sections for each day, and then your weekly goals, top priority. And then it goes to Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, more focus sections, notes, things I'm grateful for this week, and follow up on. Here you have, looks like an hourly section here, plans for today, exercise, don't forget, I'm grateful for, goals for today. So if you have like a busier day, you can use those. So you have goals or hourlies here, hourlies for the weekend, and then it goes back into the weekly pages where you can do your list of things that you need to take done, but then you can really like narrow down the hours that you need to with this section right here. Okay, so you get a few pages for the weeks in here. All right, so those are all the weekly pages for your goals that you're trying to set. All right, all of those. And then it says note section here. So just some lined paper with notes, lined note paper. Here we have inspiration and ideas. So some blank sections here that you can jot down some notes, do some doodles of things that maybe you're thinking up, just some like note-taking kind of paper. And then the back cover, and that is the goals planner. All right, so that's a nice planner. Let's get into the sticker book. Again, this one is available in 3 colors if you're interested. That one is really cute. All right, sticker book is up next. This is a, let's see, how many pages is this? I'm not sure. It has over 550 stickers though, and they are the wellness stickers. All right, so let's get into it. It looks really pretty. So first up, we have some box stickers. Today's growth, noteworthy. And these are all paper stickers. We have remember, important, family time, downtime, and take note. Morning reflection, evening reflection. Some little headers here, breathe, relax, meditate, me time. Today is a good day to have a good day. We have some circle stickers that you can jot down some thoughts. Current mood, feeling, and reason. Today I'm thankful for boxes. We have some little monthly boxes here. Okay, more of these monthly boxes. Habit trackers. I like this. It's a little habit tracker and then it has goal and then outcome, like how it worked out. Some decorative florals. Lots of headers here. Exercise, family time, unplug, nature walk, self-care journal, all the things for wellness related things. Some habit trackers for drinking water, and then just regular habit trackers. Okay, goals, goal stickers, and then the steps you can take for the goals. Little circles with the florals, more decorative stickers, monthly stickers here. Today's reflection, today's growth, rest and relax. We have some double boxes. 3 things I like about today. You can list out 3 things. Oh, I really like these kind of stickers where they're just like quotes, like thin quotes like this. Oops, sorry, I'm hitting my camera. Rest is good for the soul. Don't stop until you are proud. Keep showing up. More goal setting stickers. These are exercise, unplug, me time. Some quote and decorative stickers. Today's main focus, it's time to shine, good things ahead. More quotes. Ooh, I really like these big block quotes. Rest without guilt, you're so worthy. Don't stop until you're proud. Progress, not perfection. Some bigger quotes. Lots of quotes. Okay, so that is the book. It's a nice variety of stickers there. So that is the planner and the sticker book, the new planner and sticker book from the Fabulous Planner. Definitely, like I said, check out the site. There's also planners, other like actual planners over there. There's a ton of planner accessories, covers, things like that. So definitely check out the other items in the shop. And then I do have that link and the discount code if you're interested in purchasing anything. But that is going to be it for this video. Thanks again to Flavia from the Fabulous Planner for sending these to me so I could share them all with you. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see more, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.